Okay, Ed Akehurst back with more tutorials for Genius Pages. We're going to talk about editing buttons now. Just like the other sections, you have some options here. You can edit, you can clone, or you can trash. If we click the clone button, you'll see it makes another one. We click the trash button, it will confirm that we want to delete that. And if we click the edit button, what we get over here is the detail editor, much like what we saw for headings and for text. But you'll see we have another tab inside this editor. We have the style, which does everything we've already learned in the other videos. If you didn't watch the editing text and headers video, that'll talk about how to change margins and background colors, text colors, things like that. You can change the border color around the box, all kinds of things. You can change the size. The button block, you can make it a block or not a block. See how that went out to the size of the block. Or if we don't want it to be a block, we just want it to be the button like we had it before, you can do that. And so that's all very similar to what we've done before, and you can learn more about that in the other video. But if you click a link, now there are several things you can change. It says get it now for 99 exclamation mark. You could just make it buy now. We'll click apply changes, see what happened there to the button. And then there are several things you can do. You can either choose a page for it to go to or a block. A block would go to another section of that same page. For example, if you've got a long sales page and you click, read enough, want it now, and maybe that takes them down to a payment form at the bottom of the page, or call us now, it'll take them down to a contact form at the bottom of the page. So you can click that, or you can choose a page to go to. And you can either put a URL in. For example, we could put, maybe we just want to go to google.com. I don't know why we would do that, but we could. And that's where it would go. Or you can, we'll delete that. You can pick another page. Like maybe we want to go to this page 2 that we've built. Remember, we have other pages on this site. We have a page 2. We'll get rid of that. And you can go there. And then you can decide, is it going to open in a new tab, or is it just going to reopen the page they're already on and go there. And this will be a thank you page if they're buying. Actually, if it's buy now, you would probably type in the page that has the payment form on it, wherever the payment form is. And if the payment form is embedded on here and the button is actually a buy now to a payment form, then this will be their thank you page. And whatever you want to do once you've done that, just click apply changes. Now remember, those buttons don't work inside the editor, and you don't really want to click them in the editor. Sometimes they'll try to open. Once you've fixed a button or something like that, make sure you save now, because if you go clicking around and you click a button and it tries to go somewhere, you are going to mess your page up. So once you've fixed a component or a block and you've done, just often save. So that's buttons, and we will see you in another video. We'll show you how to edit some more components.